Did you ever want to be a good part of a great solution? Now's your chance. Each morning we have the opportunity to be part of something great. Scale never sleeps, so in every industry, heat transfer efficiencies need to be restored safely and efficiently. We have a solution for restoring heat transfer efficiencies, a method to safely clean and disinfect water systems. Corporate technical support is always available. However, once you get to use our non-hazardous, biodegradable, non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-flammable liquids to dissolve deposits, you will find that the simple pump and dump process will quickly clean the equipment and restore efficiencies. This will provide the equipment owner a firm baseline. The return on investment can be measured, giving the operator an opportunity to manage and schedule future cleanings. Here is how we do it. The mechanical contractor or maintenance team completes a standard site review form. The deposit thicknesses and quantities are estimated for the equipment. The scope can be a single unit or an entire building system. The composition of scale is noted, and a few on-site tests are performed to confirm reactivity and if there are any biological fouling components. Lab tests can be ordered if necessary. However, for common water-based scale deposits, they are not typically necessary. A site walk is performed, and we identify a fresh water supply for flushing, power, and a suitable drain. The descaling operation is straightforward. The equipment is filled with the prescribed chemistry and topped off with water. The deposits are dissolved just like sugar and coffee. The circulating solution is monitored throughout the process. In this example, the only circulation is produced by the gas from the dissolving deposits. However, on site the chemistry is stirred a bit to clear this gas and speed the results. Once the reaction ends, the mixture is tested to confirm the process is complete. A simple Tums tablet test confirms the lack of reaction was probably due to the lack of scale. The test confirms the existence of chemical strength in the solution. The mixture is still active, yet the lack of activity means the deposit has been removed and the rinse can begin. If the Tums test reveals the chemistry is completely spent, meaning it was unable to dissolve the Tums tablet, the decision to add more chemistry or just rinse the spent fluid is made by the team. It is truly that simple. Size the project, isolate the system, inject the chemistry, circulate the solution, and then rinse to sanitary sewer until clear. We appreciate your dedication to the environment. Delta Products Group has a family of hand-safe, sanitary sewer-safe descalers to restore efficiencies. When equipment is restored to peak operating efficiency, fuel consumption is reduced, thereby reducing NOx emissions and other pollutants. A clean system lowers the risk of downtime, costly repairs, and can extend equipment life, pushing capital equipment replacement into the future. So keep it clean, reduce fuel consumption, lower NOx emissions, and restore the efficiency. The operations team can schedule a cleaning whenever the benefits exceed the cost. After the credits of this video, consider continuing to watch and view one of the lab demonstrations we used to precipitate the dissolved solids from the liquids that did the work. Formal third-party lab test results confirming the system has been completely disinfected are available, and the certified lab can identify the amount and composition of the solids that were dissolved. Most clients can use their own operational analytics to show the efficiencies were restored. That mitigates the need for the additional tests and the time that they have to be performed. The operational results are immediate. We appreciate your business. Your reference becomes our reputation, so if we earned it, please share it.